our mobile concession fruit cart stand. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of at least 20.25 inches, depth of 43.75 inches, overall height of 59.75 inches tall. The top are 2 windows that can be opened and locked. With the main interior acting as your storage for fruits and all food related. Measurements for the interior would include 17.5 inches with a depth of 41.25 inches, overall height 24 inches tall. Glass doors, including the surrounding areas on the top, is plexiglass. Coming to the side will be your handle, and the measurement for the handle itself will be 15.5 inches in length, with at least 3.5 inches in depth. Coming to the bottom will be additional storage, and the measurements will be at least 19 inches in length, a depth of 28.5 inches, and an overall height of at least 26 inches. It will be locked and released with the push the tab in the handle. Coming inside will be a drain that will flow beneath on the other side of the compartment. So with the push of this button, there will be a pipe that will be running down within this box right here. And underneath the food cart will be a valve to release water or access if you're storing ice on top, holding your fruits. So a main drain on top that will run down to the storage compartment. Down to the bottom with the release of the valve that will release all the water coming down from the top. And located to the side will be the top and bottom clips or holders for your totem or your umbrella for this fruit stand. Please note, the umbrella will not be included with this concession cart. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.